Menteri Rang Badu Jongkari Narendra Modi hagasin kong jogata yo ulalum biang ye kejingelang bat baro ki Menteri Rang Ba jongki jela ba per leng ba ka video conferencing baniatai halor kejinglang jingman na kejingye kun ye katma persya ye ka klam COVID-19 hakari bat hakani gasngi ki babun ki Menteri Rang Ba jongki jela ki lapen sngau ba ka sarkar pedeng kadang dei ban penjelan shwa ye ka hukum pakhang ha baro koi kari khnang bakari kan la ban penkot ye kani ka klam
Hagani kesengi Menteri Rang Ba kari lotwat jengmut na barok ki Menteri Rang Ba jeng jela boper jeng kari hakabede ba kejing yakun bantek lakam ya kejing sapriang uknyang jeng pang COVID-19 bat halor ko hukum pakhang ya kisnong kitau ne ka lockdown habai keren ba kinong pathai kubor hadin ba deble ek video conferencing Menteri Rang Ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma uli thu ban kaliang jeng ulakren halor ki babon kimat ki bakentop ek jing long jing man ha kejela bat ban panru ke jing rap akabede bat kapisa bat kham tam e akabantau ke economic task force ke jing kongsan ban penan kam ki core technology ha kaliang ka kwet kakhya ka puli puthi ban pentulun ki kam ki jam jong sarkar bat ki weki nalor kaniu la jing mod Menteri Rang Ba kari ba ka sarkar pedeng kadang dei ban beteng shwai ko hukum pakhang bat ban perkheng ki babon ki aka kum ke jing lej na ki begi jelas ki pat ke jing ya ki kali kamai bat dei pat bandan ke jing penjensur ke jing perkheng ha ki jaka ki belatep kum ki green zone.
Well, Mr. Konrad, you have had a video conferencing with the Honorable Prime Minister of India.
Yes.
What were the suggestions that you had made?
No, I think, as I said, we had a very, very detailed discussion about many aspects. Apart from the steps taken by the state government in this regard, and apart from the current situation that is there in Meghalaya, I also mentioned to him about the financial situation and asked for support from the financial point of view also. Apart from that, we also suggested that there should be an economic task force that should come up. That economic task force should be something that will work towards how states could support each other and trade where there are gaps could be there between different states in the region and of course throughout the country. I think there's a need to study that aspect, and economic task force can look into that aspect. Because the way we're going to do things and the way the business is going to move is going to change. So in this change, how should states reform themselves and create new policies is important. Second thing which we mentioned, that the use of technology is going to be very important, whether in health or whether in in education, whether in governance. So in all these aspects, we have pushed that technology should be used. And number 3 point which we mentioned is that since the scenario for COVID continuing, and the threat of COVID continuing even post May 3rd, it is important that every state has a system, a rapid response system, which will be able to react to any kind of outbreak that happens in any locality. So it should be a system that is localized, in micro way, and very detailed SOPs of all the departments and stakeholders concerned, like what should the local headmen do, what should the volunteers do, what should the police do, what should the health department do, and how long they should do it in. So it should not be a response system that will allow 3, 4 hours, 7 hours. It should be something that says that, in 30 minutes this should be done, in 60 minutes this should be done. So we discussed all this and suggested all these matters to Honorable Prime. You see, the important aspect which I keep repeating first is that the definition of lockdown is important. So there has to be a restriction to a lot of things, like movement at the national level, public transportation. These aspects we need to restrict, and the general lockdown has to be there. But I think more and more relaxation needs to be given in green zones, especially in sectors which are very public oriented, means daily livelihood is concerned, where we can minimize the health risk, but at the same time provide the different facilities to the people. So I think all these things can be looked at, and we have proposed to Honorable Prime Minister to look into those aspects.
Hakasito din jong katayo ka Ministry of Home Affairs MHA kalapan mi ya ka hukum bakala penjelan biang ya ka lockdown sa artayo habaro kawai kari India. Kani ka lockdown kan beteng ban trekam biang nadu ka sau tarik ujemang bat kan kut haka kat nyau tarik ujemang. Kasau kar pedeng kala shimbiang ya kani karai hadian bakala kmi benya ya ka jinglong jingman hakari barok kawai hadian bakala don ka jingkiu haka jing sapriang uknyang jingpang COVID-19. Ke MHA kala syakru ban penjensur hai ki jaka ke belatip kum ki green but orange zone. Haduk ka sinset jan hari India ki bala klat no kila kiew syaka 6,000 arspa khat prangun bat kibla yo ek jingpang kidon lai pau nyaw hajar lai spa lai pon riungut bat khandai hajar khandai spa san phawai ngun kila yo yak jingkot
ka curfew ka bedai apo ka Shillong agglomeration lani ha urban area ka bagi juplong ni judon ka curfew bro sisngi te menta nado ka skinengkong ngin live no yaka mensgi tenrei katkum ka guidelines jong ka Ministry of Home Affairs ka curfew kan long tang menmit nado nyau beje menmit hado nyau beje menstep kabahap hapo sor Shillong ka curfew kan long menmit kabamut nyau beje janmit hado nyau beje menstep kirai ki bana kalian ke sarkar ni lasim kabanengkong ilai rai nadu kaskinengkong kata nadu ka sautrik ubenai basan ar hajar arpho yakine ki construction works ngin sya no ban sedang hapo ka Shillong urban barokawai kabakentup ru ya kamelim si anardi blok namar hakine kisngi ngimpat sya gitu ke artli gijaka tenrei nadu laskinengkong ngilasya ba kan kin sedang no kini ki kam ki jam hakabedei ka bat ka construction lar pi ong kayeng ka sem ka surok kalenti ka sengken bat kumta terter ya kini kinong trei sorkar ki officer barok jong ka state government batru jong ki public undertaking nadu lasngi nengkong ki dei banlik join traino ki officers ngakren ikani ka level jong ki gazetted officers barok menta kabamut 100% ki officers level ki dei ban report no sya laki jong ki office ki jong ki hakabe dei pat bat ki staff ki bahap haka group C bat ka group D ka sarkar kalarai ban sya bakin letrei tang hadu lai po lai persen laki don sispa angut kabamut lai po lai ngut ki dei ban poi sya ka jing trei bat ya kaning ilasani au chief secretary rengkat bat kini ki officers ki ba pek ya ki tenap ki directorate ki ba per ba kin work out ya kane khnang ba kan long on rotational basis